Cause he know the area around here. How many you?
Yo, MySpace.com. Get at me.
Come on with the book.
Yeah. It's a nigga's bathroom, you know. Gotta keep it fresh. Gotta keep the tape fresh. Ugly nigga cake baking.
Alright.
My damn room. Alright, it's filming on the ground. We was fighting. You a damn dumbass, man.
I'm lying like hell is that girl.
Oh snap. This nigga got a girl from Eau Claire thinking that we coming over there right now to fuck 'em.
So damn.
They look good, but all the way to Eau Claire. Damn. They just want that dick.
Let's go. We gotta go over there.
No, we not going over, man. This nigga really wanna go over there. Come on now. They look good, but Eau Claire, come on now. Some nanny? Hell no.
Nah, I mean, I ain't
This
crazy.
the real deal. www.myspace.com/she feels or blessed underscore
I ain't craving that
get
shit.
money.
Hold on. But real talk, I ain't even craving that shit. They just go over there, dog. They can get the business over there. Real talk.
6 years, nigga. Nigga, fuck the business, man.
They get the business over there, dog.
Fuck the business. Fuck the poot nanny. Fuck all that shit.
That nigga blessed.
That nigga blessed. That nigga blessed.
So you think your dad gonna go right to bed or something?
Yeah, you won't right to bed. Nigga about to be
You was over